Hi everybody. So I'm doing an update here. I have been at this work camping job for about a week and a half now. I've worked a total of 7 days, but I've been here about almost 2 weeks so far. Um, I like the job. It's just I work at a gas station. I am currently pretty well trained on the register, and now I just need to be trained on the deli. But for the past week or so, I've just been working and learning the job, and it's been fine. And I like that. I have been working on my brooms some. Well, it took me a while because I had to set up all my broom stuff. So everything was in tubs and boxes. But I set up my tent back here behind the trailer, and I have my winding table, my sander, all my broom, well, not all of them, but a lot of my broomsticks that I haven't worked through yet, and a lot of my broom making materials I have in the tent just to get them out of the trailer. So I have my space in my home. I do have the finished brooms in the trailer, but I feel like they need a little bit more protection. I don't want them getting wet because that'll be a mess. You know, the broom corn is natural fiber, so it will mold. So, and it's kind of wet here in Washington. It rains quite a bit, so, and it's a little bit humid. It's not too bad, but I didn't want the brooms to, after they're finished, to have any issues. So I do have them hanging up in here, but that's okay. I mean, it's like decorations because I love them. I love them too. So they're fine hanging up in here. But everything else, most everything else to work on my brooms is outside. So I have my own area to live in. Now I have to get that together. I've just been busy. I've been working, so I've just been working, coming home and reading and going to bed, really. So I haven't done much. But today was my day off because the owner sold to the new owner. Whew, excuse me. Excuse me. I need a nap. But and they signed papers today, so I'm off until the new owner shows up and whatever, or whenever they open. The old owner may have some more information for me later today or maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe the new owner wants me to open up tomorrow morning. I don't know. You know, maybe she won't open up for another month. You know, maybe they're going to renovate. There's so many things up in the air that who knows. I'm not going to speculate, and I'm not going to go through all the possibilities, but who knows? It's up in the air. Another, episode of my life where who knows what's going to happen. We'll see, and whatever happens, we'll work around it, through it, whatever we got to do, and keep moving forward. And I guess that's all I can say. But yeah, that's about it. I went to today. My coworker and I, we went to town, and we were gonna cash our checks. I did get paid for the time I was here, so I got my check for that. Went to town, cashed our checks, and we did that. And then he wanted to go to Hurricane Ridge, and I was like, hell yeah, let's do it. So we went up to Hurricane Ridge, and that is an Olympic National Park. It was so beautiful, you guys. It was great. The drive up there and the drive back down the mountain, it's just gorgeous. It's one of the main reasons I wanted to be in this area, where the trees and the mountains and just the beauty of this area. And I really saw a lot of it today, and it was just gorgeous, and I love it here. I love it here. Washington is probably going to be my home state. I don't know if I might go to Oregon, but I think Washington, I'm going to travel around Washington. I think Washington is where I'm going to settle down. But I'm going to look around. I'll work camp here for a while, get some funds I'm back in my emergency savings, and then, hit up another work camping job somewhere down the road, maybe Port Townsend. I don't want to go too close to Seattle. I really don't care to be anywhere near a city that big. I know the Mount Vernon area, I was around there. That was okay. I was around there a few years ago. I could potentially go back there next year. Maybe next spring or summer. I don't know. I really like this area. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Not sure. It depends on how long it takes me to save up some emergency funding. I'm not going to leave here. Well, I may leave here. I like to say I'm not going to leave here until I have enough emergency savings where I feel comfortable. Just because of what happened last time. That was across pretty much the entire country. So that was, that took a lot of money in repairs. And I don't want to get to zero again. So I'm going to save up maybe double what I had last time in emergency fund before I leave. If I can, it really depends on what this new owner's going to do. I don't know. But I did get some footage of the way back down. Going up, the sun was in the camera, so that didn't work out. But I did get footage on the way back down, and I'll play that for you guys. And there's a little piece that I did get some pictures too. I don't remember what I took those on. I'll find them. I'll get some pictures and put those on here too, so you can see. Even though I took pictures and I have the footage of going, coming back down the mountain, I just don't think pictures, the ones that I can take, can do it justice. It's just so beautiful. But anyway, I'll go ahead and get that together and post this video. Bye.